Hey everybody, I am back with these little messages to help give you some insights and perspective and tips to maybe help you get through this time. As you can see, it's another beautiful day, which I am very conscious about taking advantage of, especially in the city. You can hear there's some noise in the background. Hopefully it's not too bad. This is city life. And you will see some people walking by, but there's plenty of distance between us. And honestly, I really think sunshine and fresh air is super important, not only for your mental health, but your physical health and emotional health. So anyway, the thing that I wanted to kind of talk about today was creating a center within yourself. And it's something that I talk about in every lecture that I give. You can check them all out on YouTube, by the way. I talk about it in every single talk that I do, no matter what the title of the talk is. And I recommend it to all my clients because now more than ever, it is so important to create an inner sense of stability and security within yourself. And one way to do that is every morning, before you do anything else, maybe you can grab your cup of coffee, cup of tea, and really connect with yourself. You want to maybe do some deep breathing. Maybe you want to maybe you have a prayer or a mantra. Maybe that's when you do your journaling. It's just a time to really check in with yourself and maybe set an intention for the day. Essentially what you want to do is build that muscle up so that when you know what's hitting the fan, you have a sense of calm within you that no matter what's going on around you, you're not going to be as affected by it. And so this is something that I've been teaching, suggesting for, 12 years, however long I've been doing this. And it's just more important now than ever. And especially if you had the excuse, well, I don't have time in the morning, unless you're an essential worker who, God bless you, thank you, who doesn't have to go to a job, you've got that extra 20 minutes, half an hour, however long your commute was, you got that time back. So what a great time to start establishing that habit for yourself. So that's just basically what I wanted to say. Also, I just think it's beautiful. We have this bridge here, and I was kind of thinking how right now, the time and the space that we're in, we are in between worlds. So whatever was happening pre-coronavirus, it's going to be a new world on the other side of it. Not such a bad thing necessarily, and everybody's going to deal with that in a different way. Everyone's going to be affected in a different way. And so I guess, part of what I want to do here is help you make that transition with the least amount of let's say suffering that possible. And I know that's going to be really different from everyone. Oh, you're going to see a very cool, huge tanker go by. Let's see if it's going to come into the picture. You'll see it in a minute. So anyway, I think this bridge is very symbolic and metaphoric of that. I hope you're doing great as well as possible. I think the reality is setting in for a lot of people. And let's see. Can you see the tanker? There we go. I'm starting to ramble now, which I tend to do. So I'm going to sign up. Oh, I did want to also show you the beautiful tulips. Hopefully those are getting in the picture because I can't really see because it's so bright out. So anyway, make sure you get some fresh air and sunshine today if this is the weather where you're at. And again, hopefully my ramblings and talking is helping you in some way, shape, or form. I'm going to try to figure out more technology. I had a client contact me yesterday and asked me to do like YouTube live things. I don't know, maybe I'll do that. Anyway, have a great day, everybody. Talk to you later.